I just got my grapes. I like the green grapes. I put in the freezer for a little bit. Before it's kind of soft, but I like a little bit, it's a frozen. So I just put in the McDonald's cup. But these grapes are really sweet today. Honey guys. Beautiful day. Tomorrow's gonna be 77 or something. Today 75, diba? Nice na. So, like, hopefully there's no mosquito, guys. I'm here at sitting down here by the chair. I had to do my nail polish. My nails too. I already cleaned up the colored the thing before I cut my toenails, and this one it's already peeling again. I did not video before the black nails, but it's peeling off. Anyway, it's really good. These grapes, I like it's frozen. Just right. See you later.